Hey guys, it's Nick. I just witnessed a very dramatic price crash in Bitcoin on the Mt. Gox exchange. Mt. Gox is the main Bitcoin exchanger. It's the biggest at the moment. There are a couple of them. There's another one called Trade Hill, which I'll talk about a little bit later on. But Mt. Gox is the big one. And when I'm sitting on my computer, I have a little window open to bitcoincharts.com, and it shows me the Mt. Gox price live, and it updates it every minute, so I get to see what the price is. And from the span of about less than 5 minutes, it went from 1750, which is the range that it's been trading in for the last 72 hours. It went from 1750 all the way down to 1 penny. That's right. People were buying Bitcoin at 1 penny. But if you bought Bitcoin at 1 penny, you're probably not going to be able to cash out, because this is what happened. According to the Mt. Gox website, if you try to go to mountgox.com, they put up this notice, and I'll just read it. Huge Bitcoin sell-off due to compromised account. The Bitcoin will be back to around 1750 after we roll back all trades that happened after the huge Bitcoin sale on June 30th. Service should be back by June 20th at 11 a.m. One account with a lot of coins was compromised, and whoever stole it first sold all the coins in there just to buy them again just afterwards and tried to withdraw the coins. The $1,000 per day withdrawal limit was active for this account, and the hacker could only get out with $1,000 worth of coins. One account with a lot of, apart from this, no other account was compromised, and nothing was lost. Due to the large impact this had on the Bitcoin market, we will roll back every trade that happened since the big sale and ensure that this account is secure before opening access again. So basically, somebody had a lot of Bitcoin. Some guy got access to his password and then put in a sell order for 500,000 Bitcoin about at 1 penny. So basically, it sold all the way down to a penny. Anybody on Mt. Gox who had a buy order, such as myself, I had buy orders all the way down to 1 penny. For instance, I had an order to buy 10 Bitcoin at $10, 15 Bitcoin at $9, 20 Bitcoin at $5, 3, 2, 1, all the way down. I had buy orders. And so when Bitcoin price dropped to a penny in the span of that 5 minutes, it went back up to about $13. But in the span of just 5 minutes, all of my buy orders were completed. But doesn't mean I get to walk away with that cheap Bitcoin. You can't go on Mt. Gox right now because they've literally closed down the site, and they're going to roll back all those charges. So any buy orders that I did are going to be reversed, which, well, I guess that's not really good for me, but it is good for the person whose account was hacked, I suppose.